Now what we discussed in our last video, that these messages are coming, but it is not coming in a stream way, like it is not printing line by line, it is printing the whole chunk at once. It gets the response. So let's go back to our code again, and we need to do some little changes over here, and you will see how the response is coming. So for that, I'll go back to this function again, that is message AI. And in this message AI, we are not going to change whatever over here, we are not going to change that, but in response we are going to change. So what we are going to change here, so I'll change first this variable name, which is response. It is not going to be response anymore. I'm going to change it to stream. So stream, and this stream will have another flag, that is stream equals to true. Now the response will not come like that. You don't have response variable as of now. So what I'm going to take is a result variable, and that is one empty string initially. Now I'll run a loop over here for chunk in stream, and then I'm going to use result and append it like this, chunk dot. Now we have the choices similarly like we had before, and the first index, first position or 0 index. Then we're going to have this delta dot content. That's it. Or if it doesn't get any content, then you need to provide something like empty string. And now we're going to use this yield method, yield result. Now what is yield? That we are going to ask in we're going to ask our own AI agent. And here I'm going to change these examples because those are not relevant anymore. So let's have two different examples over here. First of all, let me type something, let's say explain event loop in JavaScript, or it's Node.js, make it shorter. Second, I'm going to have it like what is closure in JavaScript. All right. Nothing more to change over here, and everything looks fine, since we have changed here only from response to stream, and then the whatever result is coming we are going to store over here through this for loop, and we're going to use this yield result. And here I have changed these two examples. Now let me stop whatever is running previously, clear this, and then run this again. All right, it has opened in my browser. Again, I have to provide my user ID and password. Now we'll have something more interactive. So let's type what we wanted to type, like what is yield in Python. Let's see what the results comes here. It has started processing. Now look at this. It is giving us the response just like ChatGPT, and it's pretty cool. And it is giving us the details of yield, whatever we have asked. So you can create your own AI assistant or AI model, and you can ask the same questions, what is yield, so that I don't need to read it here anymore. But for the time being, I can tell you what it is doing. Basically, whatever the results are coming in for loop, it is printing one after another. So that is why yield is required. But you can go through in details from this response. It has many details. It has provided many details. I'm not going to read all this. All right, now we are almost done. We are almost done, but we have to do something else. This is not the UI where ChatGPT or other AI looks like. So it has different kind of UI. Plus, if we submit another request here, it will remove the history. Whatever we have provided, it will remove the history. Let's say if I ask something else, let's say explain event loop in Node.js and submit. See, the history, the previous data has gone, but in ChatGPT or in other AI model, data remains there. Well, I'm going to stop this response now and I'll go back to my code.